Let's continue the 6th standard maths chapter fractions exercise 7.6. The fourth problem. A piece of 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? The total length of the wire is 7 by 8 meter. This 7 by 8 meter long wire was broken down into two pieces, and length of one piece of wire was 1 by 4 meter. Now we have to find out the length of other piece of wire. Therefore, the remaining piece, that is the second piece, we need to find out. To find out this, let us take 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Again, it is an unlike fraction because the numerator and the denominator's value of the two fractions are different. Now, find out the LCM of the denominators 8, 4. Both 8 and 4 are divisible by 2. Therefore, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 4 and 2, it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Take 2, 1, 2 1s are 2, 1. Multiply the numbers. We have 2 into 2 into 2. That will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, the LCM of 8 and 4 is equal to 8. Now we have the fractions 7 by 8 and 8 is the LCM. 8 ones are 8. Therefore, multiply 1 to the numerator 7. Therefore, 7 ones are 7 minus 1 by 4. LCM is 8. 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. So, multiply 2 to the numerator 1. Therefore, 1 2s are 2. Now, 7 minus 2. We get 5 by 8. The answer in meters. Therefore, the length of other piece of wire will be equal to 5 by 8 meter is the answer. Next problem. Jaidev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? First, let us write time taken by Jaidev to walk across the school ground will be equal to 1 by 5 minute. From this, we observe that 1 by 5, it is a mixed fraction. Now we have to convert it into improper fraction. Therefore, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 will be equal to 11 by 5 minute. Now, time taken by Rahul to walk across the school ground will be equal to 7 by 4 minute. Now, we have the fractions 11 by 5 and 7 by 4. We need to find out in the problem who takes less time and by what fraction. To do this, first let us convert these 11 by 5 and 7 by 4 fractions into like fractions in which denominators are same. To convert to like fractions, let us use the method equivalent fraction. We have studied that to find an equivalent fraction, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same value. Therefore, take 11 by 5. Multiply the numerator and the denominator value by the same number such that in the two fractions, the denominator value becomes equal. So, let us multiply 11 by 5 with the number 4, that is 11 into 4, and the denominator also will be multiplied by 4. Therefore, 11 4s are 44 by 5 4s are 20. Take the next fraction, that is 7 by 4. Multiply both the numerator 7 and the denominator 4 by 5. That will be equal to 7 5s are 35 by 4 5s are 20. Now we got in both the fractions the denominator value equal to 20. Now we have two fractions 44 by 20 and 35 by 20. We know that for two fractions with the same denominator, the fraction with a greater numerator will be greater. Therefore, 44 is the greater numerator in two fractions. Therefore, 45 by 20 will be greater than 35 by 20. But in the problem, we need to find out who takes less time. From this it is clear that 35 by 20 is lesser time duration. Therefore, when compared the values, we will come to a conclusion that 44 by 20 is the time taken by Jaydev and 35 by 20 is the time taken by Rahul. Therefore, Rahul takes less time when compared to Jaydev. Next, we need to find out by what fraction. Therefore, let us take the fraction 11 by 5, which is the time taken by Jaydev, minus 7 by 4, which is the time taken by Rahul. Again, it is an unlike fraction. Take the LCM of 5, 4. We know that in 5, 4, the least number that can be taken is 2. So 5 write as it is, 2 2s are 4. Then take 2, write 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Then take 5, 1s are 5 1s are 5 and 1. When you multiply all the numbers 2 into 5, the value will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Therefore, the LCM of 5, 4 will be equal to 20. Now we have the fraction 11 by 5 and 20 is the LCM. We know that 5 4s are 20. So multiply 4 to the numerator 11. So 11 4s are 44 minus 7 by 4 and LCM is 20. 4 5s are 20. So multiply 5 by 7, the numerator value. 7 5s are 35. Therefore, 44 minus 35, the value will be equal to 9 by 20. Therefore, the fraction will be equal to 9 by 20 and Rahul takes less time by the fraction 9 by 20. This is about the lesson fraction, children. Thank you.